Introducing the 2008 Volkswagen Jetta. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides exceptional value. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2.5-liter five-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Volkswagen infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a leather steering wheel, heated seats, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and cruise control. Premium sound drives 10 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Volkswagen ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.